Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I am Kushi Shetty here with the latest news. Making space for migrants in manifestos. The 2024 Lok Sabha election manifestos of both the BJP as well as Congress have acknowledged migrant concerns for the first time. The COVID-19 pandemic and all the ensuing lockdowns highlighted the vulnerability as well as the disfranchisement of India's estimated 600 million internal migrants. So, what is the importance of acknowledging this migrant contribution? Migrants, despite their significant contribution to the economy, have historically been overlooked by policymakers. Both parties have made promises aimed at addressing migrant issues, reflecting a growing recognition of their importance. However, critical areas affecting migrants' welfare might have been overlooked in all these promises. It is crucial to scrutinize these promises so that we can ensure an effective inclusion of the vast migrant population seen in India. Modi Ki Guarantee for Shramik Samman. The manifesto pledges to engage with migrant workers registered on the eShram portal, aiming to address the issue of their invisibility due to lack of documentation. While acknowledging the importance of creating a credible database of migrants, it fails to address challenges such as Aadhaar seeding as well as technical infrastructure issues that comes along with this eShram portal. There's also a few things like periodic review of national flow wages, implementation of social security measures, neglect of vulnerable groups, development approach and electoral reform. Manifesto of Congress and details associated with it will be the regulation of migrant employment, strengthening social welfare programs, MGNREGA as well as minimum wage, urban employment scheme, gender equality and women's welfare. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.